Epsilon is a leading crew management, crew manning and training provider. We are operating from 9 different countries: the Philippines, Ukraine, Russia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Turkey, Romania, Greece and Cyprus. We serve more than 350 vessels for some of the most discerning and prestigious shipping houses. And we have our own training centers in the Philippines, Ukraine and Romania. If I may isolate the most important development in the last few months, I would say it is the opening up of the Vietnamese, the Indonesian and the Turkish market, because we consider those markets as the most viable sources for recruiting competent seafarers for our principals. We consider them the future of the crewing sector, and indeed we have seen very, very positive results up to now. We have, as I said, our own training centers in the Philippines, Ukraine and Romania, and we have very high quality departments. Our quality people there are always ahead of the developments. They are paying close attention to all recent developments in the shipping sectors. And we are in a constant process of revitalizing our portfolio of services, training services, which keeps us ahead of competition all the time. I fully share the concerns, to be honest. Yes, there is a shortage problem, and that's why actually our effort during the last 18 months has been to open up to new markets that can provide alternative sources of recruitment, alternative sources of recruiting competent seafarers. Our investment, especially in Vietnam and Indonesia, has been taking place exactly in the context of these concerns. As a response to these concerns, we opened up those markets because we have realized through our institutional network, our partners, that these countries have invested a lot in the training of their seafarers. So there is a huge pool of competent seafarers that waits to be employed by Western shipping firms. Other countries, Asian countries, such as, for example, Japanese shipping multinationals, have already tapped into the market. They have already exploited the opportunity that exists there. For a strange reason, Western shipping multinationals have not. So we consider our effort as a pioneering effort to open up the Vietnamese, the Indonesian and the Turkish market to Greek, German and British ship owners. And so far the results that we have experienced are extremely positive. Despite the overall crisis that surrounds us, I think the main message of Posidonia this year is a positive one. I think we need to be very optimistic. I think the shipping community has achieved a lot and it has to achieve a lot more. We should be proud of what we have achieved as a collective competence, as a community, compared to other industries. And building on this heritage, building on this tradition, building on this collective competence that is realized in the last decades, I think the shipping community should look forward with a lot of aspirations and a lot of optimism, because the best years are yet to come. I think the message that I got personally, having an involvement in Posidonia as an exhibitor this year, is that people share this optimism. Partners, executives, colleagues share this optimism, and I think the future is going to be only bright for the shipping sector. We just need to be a bit patient, all of us, perhaps for a couple more years, but I think the future is going to be bright for all of us.